kita sudah ada di dalam pesawat tujuan Barcelona. Kita akan transit dulu di Abu Dhabi bersama teman saya Pak Bari. Oke.
To Abu Dhabi. And we have all the guests on board. Right now we're just completing our cargo loading. Once complete, flight will commence. Flight time this evening will take us 7 hours and 40 minutes. We'll be flying at 36,000 feet. The weather along the route is expected to be generally fine. We might experience light bumpiness for the first couple of hours into the flight as we're going through some tropical cloud. For that reason, I strongly suggest you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're in your seat and to observe the seatbelt sign. Aisha will come back to you just before we commence our descent into destination with the latest weather update and entry time of arrival. Meanwhile, while you safe and